Good morning, traders. Welcome to this update on the euro dollar and pound dollar. My name is Chris from Elite Currency. Before we dive into the markets, be aware of our free 2-week trial that has started this week. You can see more information on how to sign up through this link. And of course, the ECS Live service is where we send live signals, live setups, live analysis, and live webinars. So we hope to see you in the channel very soon. Now, euro dollar, wow, finally we got the big move to the upside, and that is something we expected if price broke and closed above 111.80, and that did happen with this 1 hour candle. So the analysis worked out very nicely, as you can see, with the move up to 112.50 and still moving higher and reaching now 112.75 as expected. This was the candle that sealed the deal. In our view, that's the confirmation candle that we were warning for in our previous video. We needed a candle close and break above that head and shoulders pattern here, level at 111.80. When the candle broke above that and the 21 EMA as well, as you can see, we saw that continuation higher. For those that trade with SWAT, we already had an earlier entry right here, as you can see, as price bounced off the 21 EMA. That is something we actually also warned for in the previous video, that price will probably make a retracement, then bounce off the 21 EMA for an uptrend continuation. And those that trade with the SWAT software could use that blue candle as a confirmation, or the blue arrow and the close above that 111.80 zone. Just to give you a couple of ideas how this could have been traded to the upside. So anyhow, what's next? Yesterday, obviously very strong daily candle that did break above the 21 EMA high. So for the moment, we are looking for a continuation higher, I think, and price is already moving higher, in fact. Price breaking or trying to break above this 112.60, 112.50 zone. And if it does that, the next top in mind is the long-term moving average and the previous top at 113.25. So that's the next target. Now, if it breaks above that, then we're finally in a bigger bullish reversal. But, you know, we have to definitely wait for a daily candle close to break above that level before this is confirmed. This is still a very hefty resistance level. And although the momentum is clearly to the upside, price could easily bounce in this zone as well. So I'm expecting some follow through to the upside. But we got to keep in mind that the price could very much stall at this area and maybe even make a bearish reversal. So keeping an eye on daily candlestick patterns, whether they're bearish or bullish, is very important. What we need is a bullish close above 113.25 or a very clear bearish candlestick pattern that shows the opposite, that we're reversing. We need a clear decision whether price is breaking or bouncing. That's my point. For the moment, though, for the upcoming day or 2 days even, some bullish pressure is still expected to test higher levels. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Very clear momentum, 1-hour chart as well. And so what I'm expecting is price to make maybe some retracement here, or maybe continue right away. That's really not too clear from my point of view. But if it does make a retracement, let me say it this way, then I would expect the 21 EMA to hold as a bouncing spot and make a higher high, make another bull flag, make another higher high. I think that 2 more higher highs is possible, even though we're in such a strong resistance zone, up to about 113.25 is the main target. What we need after that is a clear daily candle pattern, though. All right, now if it were to break below, let's put a fib from here to here. All right, and if it does break below the 50 fib at 112.18, that would change my perspective. I would not be as bullish anymore, and I think that we're going into a neutral kind of territory for the euro dollar. But anything that stays above 112.18 looks bullish to me, whether price continues immediately, which is possible, or if it makes a retracement and then bounces. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. You can see that it could continue immediately. There is actually a breakout here, making a pullback, and price could use the 21 EMA as a bouncing spot. So it is possible. Depends on how price will respond to the 112.50 zone-ish. If it bounces there, an immediate follow-through is likely. If it breaks through that, we might see a bit bigger correction down to perhaps 112.25, but I'm expecting that to hold as support as well. All right, that's the euro dollar. Pound dollar made a higher high as well, and we're looking for price to go up into the 127 zone, maybe even as high as 127.50 or 127.75. Now, for the moment, price tagged 126.86, so it got pretty close to that 127 zone. So that could be maybe the end of the bullish retracement, to be honest. It depends a little bit on this candle. If there's a big wick like this, and if it closes bearish, then that could be a pin bar candlestick pattern indicating a bearish reversal. So that would be an important signal for downside. If it closes bullish, we would probably expect a little bit more upside, at least to 127, if not a little bit higher, up to 127.50, for instance, right? So that depends a little bit on this candlestick and the open of today, whether we get one more upside and then a bounce, or if we get a bounce right away and an immediate reversal. Another confirmation could be the break below 20-minute EMA low. This is the 20-minute EMA band, as you can see. And what we're waiting for is a break below this kind of head and shoulders level here. What is it? 126.09. And the 20-minute EMA low. If we get a candle like that, then that an immediate follow through and trend continuation to the downside is likely as well. All right. But the first step is this candle. That will give us an idea about this, or whether price will do this. All right. So looking for more downside in any case, just a question of when and where on the pound dollar. The downtrend remains strong and decisive for now. All right. Once again, join our ECS Live free trial for 2 weeks by going to this link and find the details of how to sign up. We hope to see you there soon and wish you all good trading in the meantime. Cheers.